Ever wondered why a bicycle is called a bicycle and not a tricycle? Or why a triangle always has 3 sides? The answers to these questions lie in the magical world of prefixes. We start the journey with the prefixes uni and mono, both of which mean one or single. So when we talk about a unicycle, we're referring to a vehicle with a single wheel. Similarly, a monotone voice stays at the same pitch without variation. Next up are do and by, denoting 2 or twice. Thus, a doublet is a pair of similar things, while to bisect is to divide something into 2 parts. The prefix tri indicates 3 or 3 times. It's why a triangle has 3 sides and a trilogy comprises 3 related novels or films. Moving on, we have quad and quart, signifying 4 or 4 times. A quadrilateral, for instance, is a polygon with 4 sides, and a quartet refers to a group of 4 musicians or singers. Pent and quin represent 5 or 5 times. A pentagon has 5 sides, and a quintet is a group of 5 musicians or singers. The prefix sex denotes 6, as in a sexagenarian, a person who is 60 years old. The prefix sept signifies 7. A septennial event occurs every 7 years, while a septuagenarian is a person who is 70 years old. Oct means 8. An octagon therefore has 8 sides, and an octave is a series of 8 musical notes. Non represents 9. A nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides, and a nonet is a group of 9 musicians. The prefix dec denotes 10. A decade refers to a period of 10 years, while a decathlon is a track and field event comprising 10 different activities. Cent signifies 100 or 100 times. A century, for instance, is a period of 100 years, and a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. Dodec denotes 12, as in a dodecahedron, a polyhedron with 12 faces. Hemi indicates half or partial. A hemisphere is half of a sphere, while hemiplegia is paralysis of one side of the body. Hecto represents 100 or 100 times. A hectogram is a unit of mass equal to 100 grams. Kilo signifies 1,000 or 1,000 times, as in a kilometer, a unit of length equal to 1,000 meters. Myria means 10,000 or 10,000 times. A myriameter is a unit of length equal to 10,000 meters. Mega signifies million or million times. A megabyte is a unit of digital information storage equal to 1 million bytes. Giga denotes billion or billion times. A gigawatt is a unit of power equal to 1 billion watts. Tera represents trillion or trillion times. A terabyte is a unit of digital information storage equal to 1 trillion bytes. Milli indicates thousandth or 1,000 times smaller. A millimeter is a unit of length equal to 1,000th of a meter. Micro signifies millionth or 1 million times smaller. A micrometer is a unit of length equal to 1 millionth of a meter. Finally, nano denotes billionth or 1 billion times smaller. A nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. So there you have it. The significance of prefixes is that they can help us decipher the meanings of words and enhance our vocabulary. They are the keys that unlock the mysteries of language, making the world of words a little less daunting and a lot more intriguing.